Hi guys, so ako rarong usanag lakaw-lakaw dinhi sa Kyoto kay ang akong kauban ni uli na sa Tokyo and ugma pa ko uli. And now padung ko sa isa ka garden kay naman daw night lights dito and indot i-photograph. So, wala na siya, Kyoto Adventure. So I was going to Shosei-En Garden, guys, but then I got hungry and I passed by this restaurant and I got curious, and turns out it is a soba shop and it was delicious, and they have been operating since 1963, I think. And oh my god, I'm so happy that I bumped into this shop and I had that wonderful soba. Now that I have eaten, I'm going to continue going to Shosei-En Garden for the night lights there. It's around 7:30 p.m. now, but it's very very quiet around here already. I found the garden! Yay!
きっと約束だよいつかまた同じ笑顔で今すぐまっすぐ君のことを探したいけど君が残したひとかけらの勇気で歩き出せる踏み出せるもう迷わないからどんな道だって振り向かずに進める一人だって
So there is a music show, guys. So I'm going to watch that.
音楽としての、今までその、
So this is Shosei-En Garden, guys, and now it's around 9 p.m. and it's starting to drizzle, so I think I'm gonna head back to my hostel now.